Hello my people, welcome to Raising Boys with Glado the Nutritionist. Today's menus is samosas. As I said earlier, we are going to make samosas today, and I'm making very simple samosas. There I have lentils or camandel. I have potatoes. I have 3 large onions. I have 2 tomatoes. I have 1 clove of garlic, and I have ginger. On the other side I have my dough. So let's move together as we make samosas. We are sauteing our onions now. I have added garlic and ginger. As you can see, I have added my tomatoes, and I'll cover and wait for them to soften. Here I have my curry powder. I have my paprika, and I have black pepper. So I'm going to add them inside there. So that they cook. I'm an African girl, so I'm just measuring by I'm not exact, so I'm just using my eyes to put in the spices. So I'll add some little water so that the tomatoes can soften completely. After that, now I can add my potatoes. As you can see, I have 2 more onions there that I've not added. I've not added yet, so let's move together. I'll show you where I'm going to incorporate them. The nyanyas have softened, so I'll add our potatoes inside now. So like that. I'll also add the lentils. I won't mix them, I'll just leave them on top, and I'll add some water so that the potatoes can soften. So as you can see there, this is what I have. I made those round dough from there. So I'm rolling them like this so that I'll put some oil on one, and then I'll place another on top of the one that I applied some oil. So I repeat with the other one. Apply some oil, and I'll put the other one on top. So have some flour there, and I'll try as much as possible to align the dough. So I'll spread my dough to the size that I want. So that is what I have. Remember, there are two, and my pan is heating, and also my warus are there. So that is how you make a dough for samosas, for samosa pockets. So this is what will go inside the samosa pockets. That is my kiunga. I don't know what it is called. My kiunga. I have paste there, and I have my filling there. Pieces, 4 pieces, as you can see. This is what is happening now. I'm frying my samosas. Presenting to you the final product, the samosas. Enjoy!